Hi, welcome back. I'm doing my final fruit punch drink. If you watch my previous videos, I thought it would be fun to do taste tests and see which brand I like for each flavor I have, and this is my tail end of the fruit punch. So let's get started. First of all, I always tell you guys my cup is always halfway full of ice and it never looks like it. So my tumbler is a 40-ounce tumbler. I always fill before I start, so this way I'm not making a lot of noise. I always fill my protein shaker, 20 ounces. Okay. As I tell you all that, it looks way more now. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this one I'm going to do Hawaiian Punch. Again, these were made, I decided to start pre-making them, so this way I can kind of grab and go versus sitting here. Basically, I was trying to cut down on the filming. I realized when I was doing my taste test before, one of the videos were like 11 and 13 minutes, so I just decided that going forward, I think I have 3 or 4 more flavors. I'm going to have them already made in jars, no ice, so this way it won't get watered down. And I can tell you that Hawaiian Punch and Snapple were my favorite, so I'm excited to try this after it's been sitting in the fridge. So this one is the Hawaiian Punch, and this one was the fruity, red fruity, what is it? Juicy fruit red. I cut the top of it off. Fruit Punch. Fruit juicy red. Sorry about that. All right, so let's get started. I do want to taste it real quick. It's good. All right. Yeah, this one was made yesterday, and I've just been working my way through the fruit punch. Like always, you are supposed to use a bottle of water. I don't do that. I do to the 14-ounce line, and that's because I always have, usually half my tumbler is full of ice. And to consolidate dishes, I'm going to use my same dish that had, my same little jar that had the fruit punch. I always start with a few ounces in here, just enough to dissolve the packet. Again, you don't have to do that. You can use a straw. You can put it in a bottle and shake it. Excited. So I use the Hawaiian Fruit Punch, and we're going to use the Dole Tropical Lemonade. I live in Texas. I love lemonade. We had errands to go run today. We stopped at Chick-fil-A. Mom's been wanting a Chick-fil-A sandwich. I got one too, but I'm all for their lemonade. So this one's the Dole Tropical Lemonade mixed with the Fruit Punch. Let's give it a go. I feel like Dole is like maybe similar to like the Weilers, like it's not necessarily strong. I normally don't. That is one thing after I'm done with figuring out my favorites. As of right now, I currently have, it was 109. I think I'm at 113 different drink packets up there. And I keep on telling y'all, I do know off the bat I have 7 different strawberry. I'm doing strawberry last since it's so many. But let me grab a different straw. Sorry. Have all my straws over there. That is one of the things when I'm done with my filming. I'm going to start doing combos I haven't done. When I asked GPT the other day if I did drinks with 2 packets, I have 109 packets. They said I was going to have like 7,100 different combos. I'm like, okay, so I definitely need to start doing flavors I haven't used. A tropical lemonade. Okay. I realize that's probably why I used a clean jar on the other one, so this way I can just taste it. This is real light. If I was drinking it by itself, I would absolutely grab a second packet. So by itself, I would not drink this one. Let's see. Let me see. It's definitely more fruit punch than anything. It's good. It's refreshing. I actually would make this one again. I would probably add a second lemonade though packet. I was wanting something a little bit more heavy on the lemonade. It's good though. So if you guys have tried it, I'd love to hear. Like I said, this one's really heavy on the fruit punch, and not very heavy on the lemonade, but it's good. I'm gonna drink it this way. Actually, I have some lemonade syrup. I may add some lemonade syrup to it when it gets down a little bit more. Like always, I'd love to hear if you've made this one yourself, what you did different. All right, bye.